I'd like to make you aware of some useful free resources for learning physical chemistry. And the two major types of resources are interactive simulations, which allow students to change variables and see how a system responds by using sliders. And then more than 240 screencasts, which are short videos made on a computer that are focused on just one topic. Here are QR codes for those two links that are shown here. And here's a snapshot of what the physical chemistry simulations look like. So there are really three types of interactive simulations. Most are the type where students can make changes and watch the variable response. Some are called digital experiments, and this means students actually take data and do analysis. It's a worksheet included with each of them that explains a step-by-step procedure. And there's some quiz simulations that allow students to manipulate, for example, and create diagrams by moving points on a graph. We can go and look directly at the web page. So on the web page for the simulations, the ones that are indicated with this HTML5 means they play directly in a browser. No additional software needed. Some of the ones down here now are made with Mathematica and will play using a free player that needs to be downloaded from Mathematica website. You can also look at the screencast for physical chemistry, and they're divided into topics such as energy balance. So each of these is a screencast. Let's say chemical equilibrium, some quantum mechanics ones, and solid state diagrams. These are all short. If I click on Gibbs phase rule, this is a YouTube video. You can see it's 5 minutes essentially. So we think these are useful materials to supplement a course or for students to use on their own to better understand physical chemistry.